Hello viewers. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing about one of the best smartphones under Rs 10,000 in India April 2021. The best phones under Rs 10,000 in India is undoubtedly one of the most popular search categories. Here is our presenting the one of the best smartphones under Rs 10,000 in India. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. The best smartphone is Realme Narzo 30A. Display and camera. Realme Narzo 30A is configured with a 6.5-inch bezel-less screen featuring a waterdrop notch framework. The smartphone also gets an IPS LCD-type display with 720x1600 pixels screen resolution and an aspect ratio of 20:9. Camera. A dual camera setup is installed on the backside of the smartphone, including a 13-megapixel primary camera supported by a 5-megapixel depth shooter. There is an 8-megapixel primary camera on the front. Configuration and battery. Realme Narzo 30A gets a MediaTek Helio G85 chipset along with 4GB RAM and Mali G52 MC2 GPU, offering a best gaming performance. An octa-core dual-core Cortex-A75 and hexa-core Cortex-A55 processor. Configuration assures lag-free performance. A massive 6000 mAh battery gets installed within the smartphone. The lithium polymer type non-replaceable battery is also compatible with 18-watt fast charging technology. Price. Realme Narzo 30A price in India starts from Rs 9,999. This is 4GB RAM 64GB internal storage base variant of Realme Narzo 30A, which is available in laser black, laser blue color. If you want more this type of video, please hit the like button. Stay home and stay safe.